Wise Business Plans LLC Review, Usage Experience. Links to products mentioned in this video are included in the description below. Wise Business Plans LLC specializes in creating professional, investor-ready business plans for startups, small businesses, and established companies seeking funding or strategic direction. Their services cater to entrepreneurs looking for SBA-compliant plans, investor pitch decks, and custom financial models tailored to various industries. One of Wise Business Plan's key advantages is its team of experienced MBA writers who craft detailed plans based on thorough market research and financial forecasting. These plans are designed to help businesses secure loans, attract investors, or apply for grants. The company also offers additional services like business formation, branding, and website development, making it a one-stop shop for business support. The process is straightforward. After an initial consultation, they develop a customized plan within a few weeks, ensuring all financial projections and industry data align with current market trends. Pricing varies based on complexity, with basic plans starting around $1,800 and going up for more in-depth investor-grade documents. While it's not the cheapest option, the quality and depth of research make it a valuable investment for serious entrepreneurs. Wise Business Plans is best suited for those who need a well-structured, professionally written plan to present to banks or investors. However, if you're looking for a quick, generic template, this service might be overkill. Customer reviews highlight their professionalism, attention to detail, and ability to meet funding requirements. If you've used Wise Business Plans or are considering it, share your experience in the comments. Check the links in the description for more details.